Hey Josh, I'm starting to believe that you recorded a bunch of videos, and like some of these videos are kind of old where you made them like a couple months ago and you're just now releasing them. Wow, you're very observant. Way to go. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns. I'm concerned about his black dead eyes. Look at him. It's like a coffin. Any and everything down below. Now then. Is that a blood stain? Oh no. We know what that is. We know what that is. Now then. This just came out on Sunday. Today it is Tuesday. Please check your local calendar. I don't know, maybe different calendars are differently. I'm not sure. But this is what we have for you. Captain Crunch with dead eyes. So this is what Funko is bringing out. He looks a lot happier there. I'm not sure how many of these that they will be releasing. There was a Chase one. He's black and white. Unfortunately, I did not get that dispenser. Ugh. Let me unbox this one. Oh, come on. And so when they were only released at Target is what I heard. So while at Target, I'm looking all over the place trying to find said dispenser. It's not in the toy section. It's not in the candy section. Do you know where they keep them? The electronics. Let's check out our electronic Pops PEZ dispenser. Here we see the back of the head. What's the patent number on this thing? 75 China. Is this made at the Six Factory? Yes, it is. What a giant head on this thing. Where's the PEZ dispenser? There we go. What a giant head compared to Mickey. I mean, it's almost the size of a Mary Poppins. Do we have a Mary Poppins around? Comes with one roll of candy. It's like $5 and some change, so there you go, but that's what it looks like. Oh, wow, that's a heavy head. Already has head flop. Well, the spring doesn't work very well. I don't think the spring is enough to push this head back. I mean, it's everything it can do. Yeah, now it's sticking. Yep. So here's the design flaw, Funko. The head's too big. Make a smaller head. Maybe a little more hollow, use less plastic, and then you won't have to charge us $5 for it. I know that's how you make your money and everything, but come on. PEZ is fun. It's made for a collector that can just go out there with $2 and add something to their collection. You only get one roll of candy. Come on. At least throw another roll in there. I do like the box. I mean, that's kind of cool. But yeah, I don't understand the Funko Pop craze. But this is what we got. So I will show you everything. I will not fill this with PEZ, and I will not play with it. I'm afraid I'll break it. We'll see what other ones they have come out. Hopefully I can come across them and get them and show them for you guys. Really colorful, though. I wish he didn't have dead eyes. I wish he had real happy eyes. So until next time...